I just got a new eero Pro 6E. It's what I use as my main router in my house, but I finally got a second one to actually take advantage of the mesh connection. And inside the box, it's pretty simple. You have your power connection here with your instructions, and then inside the box, the router with your 2 ports on the back, and that's it. So I'm gonna go ahead and set it up and show you what it's like. I just connected the device to a power outlet. You can see there it's plugged into the wall, and once I put the cord into the back of the eero, it started to light up. Now I'm gonna go into the app and finish the setup. When you open the app, you'll wanna find the plus symbol in the top right-hand corner. Then you'll be prompted with this menu and click Add or Replace Eero Device. It'll ask you again, Add Eero Device, click that, and you'll get a few other prompts, where to place it, make sure it's out in the open, make sure that it's not next to another large electronic device. And once you go through all the prompts, you'll see it saying Finding the eero Pro. Once it does, it will let you know. Great, it's confirming that I have mine in a good spot. I put it in my hallway, so I want to select where it's located. And then it's going to set up automatically. It's doing an update right now. And then once the update is complete, I'll get a notification and confetti. So I know now the setup is complete.